Hi, I'm Shaz.
Hi, I'm Oz.
And this is the What's Up channel. Now, we've purchased a Dazzle 1800W quad and we've just got it. And we bought this from Quad Warehouse, and I'm going to pass it over to Moz and he's going to tell you a bit about how we got this here in the box.
Yeah, so we are really excited because we picked this up yesterday. We had it loaded into the van by the guys at Quad Warehouse in Chesterfield, and three of us have just offloaded it here, and it's the larger model. It's the 1800W, and we're really keen to sort of get this box ripped off and just see what's under here and get an idea of what the build process is. We're keen to show you guys as well, for those of you that are taking it home like we have done, and you want to build it yourselves. This is what we're here to show you as well. So super excited to get this box off and take a look.
Yes, also worthy to note that you can get this built. So if you're like, you know what, I don't want to build it myself and I want it built, I want the quad ready, you can do that, and you can spend an extra £100, but hopefully this video will give you a very good idea of, you know, is it worthy me of spending that £100, or can I just build it myself? Let's get cracking. So basically in here, quite straightforward stuff for the wing handlebar deflectors. We've got a big pouch here of stuff that you can use. Okay, they're connectors for the handlebar deflectors, and then there's also some screws, spanners in here to help with putting it together.
Charging cable, looks like it. And this one is, now I recognize this is the Speedo from the other Dazzle. Some stickers.
We've got some stickers, and then just the hubcaps and a manual.
Which is, yeah, this is the owner's manual. So this it's good we found this, because we've not had this in previous build videos. Yeah, looks like there's information and steps here. So we'll take a read of this before we start as well.
Yeah.
Since putting it on this platform, we've taken off some plastic and then also got started on this front section. So Shaz is just going to tell you what we've been up to here.
Right, yeah. So it's pretty straightforward. So this part was actually curled in there, so you just need to bring this bit out. This moves around. Put this bolt on, connect the steering wheel up. This was connected here, but disconnected from the top. So up here is the issue, because you've got a bolt here and then it goes through here, right? So the problem is look, this is what they give you. This is what they give you. This is a number 14 and that's what they give you. We needed to get our own, and you can see the difference, yeah, because to get the torque to tighten it, you need to, this is going to be very difficult with the ones that they give.
It was slipping off that thinner one. It was
slipping off this one, which is the one that they give in the box. So we used our own and we tightened it up very quickly. This is very flimsy. All together now, we've put everything together. This front bull bar is very easy because there's just one bolt here, and one bolt here. So very straightforward to put it on. We showed you the suspension and the steering, and to put these on, these bolts, very straightforward, they go in here. Okay, and then we put the clips in the middle. This charger is actually a little bit of a faff to get this in here. It's slightly awkward in that it's quite far inside, so you need to just keep making sure you align it properly to get it inside.
Also, just to say that we made a bit of a mistake in putting it on charge, and the light was green. You might not be able to see, but it's red right now. We didn't turn the circuit breaker on, which is just under the seat. Make sure you switch that on and then you put it on charge.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so the back wheel, straightforward here, just washer and then a bolt here, and then the clips go on. Just tighten them up, and that's for both sides. This back bar, very easy to put these bolts on here. and they've got nuts inside, and then this was the only deflector with a bolt on the back, one nut bolt, and it clips on very nicely, so that was very straightforward to put on.
And then we'll move to the handlebars. So we added these deflectors, these covers on. There's just this bracket here that you've just got to make sure you get the positioning of this right. We've got it so that it's coming under through here, and that seemed like the most natural place to put it, so it didn't come in the way of anything.
Yeah, and to put the handlebars on, so this is just a cover. This is just a cover that comes with it. So here, this is separate for the monitor, whereas in the monitor of the other ones, you know, the speedo and all that readout in the other ones, they're actually fixed into here, so they actually just come in the same one for this bracket here to get the actual steering wheel mounted. So that's got a separate one, and then these ones are straightforward because there's just the bottom and the top, and then these screws that are inside the goodies bag, so they go straight on. And then this, which is quite a nice little add-on, goes straight on here, and you know, nicely covers it, so it looks good. Yeah, and we've took all the you know, for the decals, we've took off the film that goes on the top.
And we raised the handlebars a little bit as well, actually.
Yeah, we decided we turned them slightly and then raised them, so you can, if you unscrew these parts, if you just unscrew them, you can then move this one down and up, depending on the rider. So if the rider is, let's say, a younger rider and wants a better reach, they can just come and bring it a bit forward so it's closer to them.
Alright guys, so this is the final product. We've put it together, we've assembled everything we can, and we've shown you what it looks like as we've brought it together, and we are really excited now that it's finally assembled to get this on the road, on the field, and show you a couple of the really cool things about this quad, as well as some comparisons with its competitors.
Right, so make sure you like and subscribe, because what we've got up and coming is a drag race between the 1800 watt Dazzle, the 1500 watt Dazzle, the Cubby Q32, which is a 2500 watt, and the Extrax eSport, which has a peak power of 3000 watts. So, my name's Shaz.
My name's Moz.
And this is the What's Up channel.